Welcome back to Car Analyst. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about selling your car in the UK. Whether it's your first time or you're looking to get the best deal, this guide will walk you through every step, hassle-free. Let's dive in. Preparing your car for sale. First up, preparation. Buyers will want to see a well-maintained car, so give yours a good clean inside and out. This makes it look more valuable and presentable. Consider fixing any minor issues, like scratches or small dents, as these can be relatively cheap to fix but make a big difference in the sale. And don't forget, gather your car's paperwork. This includes the V5C logbook, MOT certificates, and service records. Buyers will feel more confident purchasing if they know the car's full history. Setting a realistic price. Next is pricing. Check the market to see what similar cars are going for. Websites like Auto Trader or Parker's can help you set a realistic price. Remember, if your car has lower mileage or extra features, you might be able to price it a bit higher. Advertising your car. Now, let's talk about advertising. Take clear, high-quality photos of your car. Show all angles, front, back, sides, interior, and any features like alloy wheels or a sunroof. Be honest in the description. Include details about condition, mileage, and any recent repairs. Being upfront builds trust with potential buyers. There are plenty of places to list your car in the UK, from Auto Trader and eBay Motors to Facebook Marketplace and Gumtree. Each platform has a different audience, so it can be beneficial to list it on more than one. Responding to inquiries and setting viewings. Once your ad is live, be prepared to respond to questions. Make sure to answer honestly and be cautious of potential scams. Arrange viewings in a public place or have someone with you if they come to your home. Negotiating the sale. Now, let's talk about negotiating. Buyers might try to haggle, so set a fair price, but be open to a bit of flexibility. Decide in advance what your lowest acceptable offer is and be confident when discussing it. Remember, they want the car as much as you want to sell it. Finalizing the sale. When you've agreed on a price, make sure to fill out the V5C logbook. You'll send the buyer's section to the DVLA to notify them of the ownership change. You can do this online now, which makes it easier, and always get full payment before handing over the keys. Bank transfer is usually safest. And that's it. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to selling your car in the UK, smoothly and securely. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and consider subscribing for more guides like this. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your sale.